I'm about to help Jason put these on. We're going to buy some breakfast. Eggs and chocolate milk and all that stuff. Good morning, guys.
I don't know. I'm not really looking forward to it though.
No?
Not really.
I think you're gonna like it.
I mean, if I get to spend a decent amount of time in the jacuzzi, then maybe, but...
Yeah, let's hope there is one. I'm not actually sure, considering I've only been to the original one. But in any case, there's a few different activities. And if you're not particularly a huge fan of Lalandia itself, there's always nature and stuff around there.
I'm definitely not a fan of water because I think I told you one time I had like this incident that happened when I was in the military.
Oh yeah.
That water treating incident.
Yeah, that's some fucking brutal ass traumatizing shit. But you know, most of this water... Ja, Jason. Oh, dieses idea, de lyser. But there isn't really any, you know, water in Lalandia that would be dangerous to a child, you know? It's like, it's all...
You don't have no deep pools?
I don't even think so, man. It's basically just like water slides, like warm water. Well, I haven't been to this particular place. It could be very different for all I know.
Yeah, that's another question too, because I definitely ain't jumping in no cold ass water.
Oh yeah, this water is all warm and nice.
I was thinking maybe a bunch of Scandinavian people, y'all don't mind the cold water.
Well, this is like a resort. They're trying to, or it's like they're trying to appeal to kids with this place. It's all made for kids.
What kids? There are no kids in Denmark.
Well, increasingly there are less. I forgot ketchup, so I just let the others back home, and now I'm gonna go return some bottles, and I got 10 kroner. I'm gonna buy some ketchup because I'm a bizarre and strange man, incapable of consuming eggs without them being drenched in ketchup. I know, kind of weird for that. Oh no. Is their machine busted? Oh no. Let's see. Oh no. Først stiller bare pant til mig her. Er der nogen, der bare givet op på sin pant, eller hvad?
Nej, der er lige en tekniker, der ikke har kigge på den.
Oh, okay. Check it out, guys. I'm making braised potatoes. Chopping them up or dicing them rather. Adding some salt. Frying in butter at like a medium temperature. Yeah, this is gonna be absolutely amazing. They're gonna brown evenly. Yeah, it's gonna be crunchy deliciousness with sweet, salty creaminess. And then eggs sunny side up with some ketchup. And we're perfect. You don't even need bread for this when you got braised potatoes. Added a bit of pepper as well, some more salt. And we're gonna dice up the final pieces of ham and put in there towards the end. I diced up the final pieces of ham from dinner yesterday as well. The potatoes are from dinner yesterday too. It's a good way to reuse all this stuff. It's delicious as hell. Just cleaning up the kitchen while cooking this stuff. It's coming along nicely. So is the kitchen. Check it out. Turned out perfect. Damn guys, I fell asleep for a couple hours there. I'm awake again. It is quite a bit later though. I needed it. I feel well rested. The rest of them went to meet up with Mike's baby mama. Jason just needed to hang out with her for a bit before we go to Lalandia, so he's not gonna be like, I wanna go back to mom during the trip, you know? So they're just hanging out, having some pizza, and me and Dion, we're going for a stroll, seeing if we can't find a place we want to eat at.
Hopefully some pizza, maybe something else.
Hey, if you want like the most cracking burger, we can go to where works. He's on the job right now.
Oh, really? We
Yeah.
should go there.
Yeah, you want?
I think I'd want a burger.
Yeah, let's go, man. He's gonna make it for us. Hej med dig, Marker. Hej. Du vil bare ud, hva'? Du vil bare ud. Hva, Marker? Hello, guys. Me and Dion just got back. We got grilled sandwiches. I guess it's something like a cheesesteak sandwich or something like that. You know, with some cheese and some beef and bacon bits and... Oh, I got yours. I got yours.
God damn.
Yeah.
I told you it was probably the wrong one.
I can't really pick it up for you, sorry. But we got a friend discount. Let's go. Well, I guess he just used his employee discount. Our friend who made these for us. And they were even closed. Like, we weren't even supposed to be able to get something, but he's just such a nice guy. You know, he lets us stay here. He makes food for us. He gives us discounts and stuff, man. Great stuff. Because, yeah, otherwise it would have been a bit expensive. It's just the others, they're eating pizza with the baby mama of Jason. So we needed to figure out something for ourselves. So he made some sandwiches for us. Delicious ass sandwiches in this place. Let's go. I just keep forgetting to film. Well, I guess this guy doesn't want to get filmed. So that's probably fine. Well, let's dig in. I got my sandwich now. I had Dion's before. Yeah, this is it. This is it right here. And the Coke. Ah, that food was delicious. I'm just sitting in here in the room with the RGB lights, about to smoke a cigarette, watching some internet historian or whatever. It's probably one of his other channels. Just chilling out. I'm gonna have a post-food cigarette.